What if I told you that you could learn almost any skill, from coding and video editing to Excel, graphic design, or even a new language much faster using ChatGPT? Most people use ChatGPT to get answers, but the smartest users use it as a personal tutor, coach, and study partner. In this video, I'll show you the exact method I use to turn ChatGPT into a learning machine that helps you master any skill faster. Let's jump right in. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They open ChatGPT and type something like, "Teach me Python," or "Teach me video editing." ChatGPT responds with a huge wall of information. You read a little, feel overwhelmed, close the chat, and never come back. Learning doesn't work that way. Imagine walking into a university on your first day, and the professor hands you every textbook for the next 4 years. That's exactly what happens when you ask ChatGPT broad questions. Instead, think of ChatGPT as a personal tutor. A great tutor doesn't dump information on you. They guide you step by step. That's exactly what we're going to make ChatGPT do. The first thing you need is a roadmap. Instead of asking ChatGPT to teach you everything at once, ask it to create a structured learning plan. Use this prompt. I want to learn video editing from complete beginner to advanced level. Create a step-by-step roadmap divided into weekly milestones. Include only the most important topics in the correct learning order. You can replace video editing with any skill. Programming, graphic design, Excel, marketing, photography, public speaking, anything. Now, instead of feeling lost, you'll have a clear learning path. You'll know exactly what to study today, tomorrow, and next week. This removes confusion, and clarity leads to consistency. One reason people give up learning is because explanations are often too technical. Here's where ChatGPT shines. Whenever something feels confusing, use this prompt. Explain this topic as if you're teaching a complete beginner. Use simple language, practical examples, and real-life analogies. Reading alone won't make you skilled. Practice does. After every lesson, ask ChatGPT. Give me 5 practical exercises to test what I've just learned. Don't show me the answers until I finish. If you're learning Excel, it can generate spreadsheet exercises. If you're learning Python, it can give you coding challenges. If you're learning CapCut, it can suggest editing tasks. Practice forces your brain to remember what you've learned. That's where real progress happens. This is probably my favorite feature. Instead of simply asking questions, tell ChatGPT to become your tutor. Use this prompt. Act as my personal tutor. Teach me one lesson at a time. After each lesson, ask me questions to test my understanding. Correct my mistakes before moving to the next topic. This completely changes the learning experience. Instead of passively consuming information, you're actively participating. It's almost like having a private teacher available 24 hours a day. And unlike a human tutor, ChatGPT never gets tired of your questions. Here's something many people overlook. Knowing something isn't the same as being able to use it. After completing a few lessons, ask ChatGPT. Create a beginner-friendly project that combines everything I've learned so far. If you're learning graphic design, it might ask you to design a social media post. If you're learning coding, it may suggest building a calculator. If you're learning video editing, it could ask you to edit a 1-minute cinematic video. Projects connect theory with real-world experience. And that's how skills become permanent. Here's a secret. Don't replace YouTube with ChatGPT. Use both together. Here's the learning cycle I recommend. First, ask ChatGPT to explain the concept. Second, watch one high-quality YouTube tutorial. Third, practice what you learned. Fourth, return to ChatGPT and ask questions about anything you didn't understand. This cycle is incredibly effective because ChatGPT answers your personal questions while YouTube shows you real demonstrations. Together, they're one of the most powerful learning combinations available today. If you're serious about learning quickly, ask ChatGPT to keep you accountable. Use this prompt. Create a 30-day study plan with 1 hour of learning each day. Include lessons, practice exercises, revision sessions, and mini projects. At the end of each week, give me a quiz to test my progress. Now you're no longer guessing what to study, you simply follow the plan. Consistency beats motivation every time. The biggest advantage of ChatGPT isn't that it gives answers, it's that it helps you learn in a way that's personalized to you. Whether you want to master coding, video editing, writing, graphic design, public speaking, business, or almost any other skill, the key is to stop asking random questions and start using a structured learning system. Remember these 5 steps. Create a roadmap. Learn one topic at a time. Practice after every lesson. Build real projects. Combine ChatGPT with YouTube. Do this consistently, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your skills improve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical AI tutorials that help you work smarter, learn faster, and get more done with ChatGPT and other AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.